I don't think I'm doing this right. There's a lot of egg juice at the bottom. I'm making Buzzfeed Tasties super fluffy omelet today. I've never had an omelet so fluffy before. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna have to start with 2 eggs that we're gonna separate. And I know Buzzfeed's recipe calls for 5 egg yolks. No, 5 egg whites and 3 egg yolks. But that is too many eggs for me. Got my handy dandy hand mixer. Then I'm just gonna start whipping up these egg whites. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt in here. In their recipe, they salt it after it's in the pan, but it's getting all nice and frothy. You wanna get stiff peaks when you're whipping those egg whites up. So I'm actually gonna switch to metal bowls because I don't know if these glass bowls can actually be used with the electric beater. So I'm just gonna transfer this. So stiff peaks, you see this? Actually, this might be a little bit overbeaten. I'm gonna pour these egg yolks. We're gonna do the same with the egg yolks. Just gonna beat them. I'm just gonna increase it to medium speed. It looks pretty pale and yellow in color, so I think it's ready. Before you fold the egg whites and egg yolks, oil into a pan just like this. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of butter as well. Turn it up to, I believe they say low. Just gonna let this butter, oh, you don't want to scratch the pan. That's no good. Okay, I'm just gonna let that butter melt in the pan while I fold in the eggs. Back to the eggs. I've seen this trick where you kind of take some of the egg whites, you add it to the egg yolks, just to loosen up. I'm gonna pour this egg yolk mixture. I feel like I'm screwing this up. I'm gonna swirl the oil and butter around so it coats the bottom of the pan. I don't know if it's well coated enough. Otherwise it's gonna stick. Yeah, that's it. I got a trick to it. So you gotta shake the pan to get the oil and butter coated. Look at that, look at that, look at that, fully coated. I'm so proud of myself. Apparently you're supposed to fold like this. I don't think I'm doing this right. There's a lot of egg juice at the bottom. Okay, this is not looking right. Don't think there's supposed to be that much liquid in there, but I think I overbeat the eggs. That's why it's hard to incorporate the egg yolks in. I don't have very high hopes for this. Okay, place it into the pan like that. This is not that easy. The video makes it seem like it's super easy. I'm supposed to smooth out the top, I think. I've seen that in a lot of recipes. Place a lid on it and just let it sit there and cook. I don't know if it's gonna cook at such a low heat. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes. Let's see how it, okay, definitely not cooked on the top, but I am going to black pepper this. That's what it looks like. Is that water or oil at the bottom? I think my heat is too low. I think we need to bump it up to at least medium. I'm going to put the lid right back on. Okay, let's see how it looks. It smells like egg. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's yellow on the bottom. I'm gonna actually turn up the heat to maybe like medium, almost medium high. I'm not sure. I'm gonna let it go. Maybe my stove is just not strong enough. I'm getting really impatient because I really want to eat this and try this out. It's really hard to fold over. It's supposed to fold over like this. Is that it? Did I just do it? The souffle omelette? I'm really sure this is, I think that's cooked. It's actually kind of hard to get onto the plate. Oh my God. Just slide it off. I don't want to ruin it. Sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley on top. And there it is. Soufflé omelette. You know what? It might have actually worked. So here is our super fluffy omelet. Okay, it's not focusing. Oh, there you go. See the super fluffy omelet here? Okay, it's not that super fluffy. It's been a little bit of time because I had to get the thumbnail. From the looks of it, it is fluffier than any omelet I've ever had before. So I'm gonna go give it a try. So, here we go. Oh wow, that is very interesting. It's kind of like foam. Now, I don't know if I screwed up the recipe. I probably did. The texture is a little weird. It's very light and airy and pillowy. I don't know, I think I may have cooked it a little bit too long as well. It's not terrible. There is a contrast between the outside of the skin where it's harder and the inside where it's much softer. So that's throwing me off a little bit. You know what? I think I know what it is. It's just a little bit too airy. It's a little bit too airy and puffy inside, and maybe I'm just not used to it, but this is not what I expected at all. And I've seen these recipes, like the outside is brown. I mean, you can see, it's not very brown. I don't know if you can see, there you go. It's not that brown. So this super fluffy omelet, I'm not sure. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat it. Last piece. All right, so final thoughts. Very weird. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me try next, and I will see everyone soon. Bye for now.